Hurricane Carmen is making landfall in Brookhaven. This is an emergency. Take shelter now.
This is an emergency broadcast by the Robloxian Bureau of Weather and Nature. An extreme flood warning has been cited for Madison County, Livetopia County, and Carmen County. Brookhaven is expected to have 30.7 inches of rain, Bloxburg is expected to have 60.4 inches of rain, and Livetopia is expected to have the highest amount of rainfall, which is 71.8 inches. Residents in Livetopia and Bloxburg are advised to find high ground and shelter in place immediately. Residents in Brookhaven, turn around, don't drown. Do not drive into any suspicious body of water. For all areas, do not jump or swim in any suspicious body of water. Any of those actions could put your life at risk.
Has issued a tornado warning for Davidson County in central North Carolina until 11:45 p.m. At 11 p.m., storm spotters were tracking a large, violent, and extremely dangerous tornado near Arcadia, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: deadly tornado and 3-inch hail. Source: trained spotters confirm tornado. Davidson County Emergency Management reported 20 fatalities in Temple with transformers destroyed, trees down, and houses suffering significant damage. Radar indicated this tornado was approximately 1 mile wide. Impact: this is a life-threatening situation. You could be killed if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Complete destruction of entire neighborhoods is likely. Many well-built homes and businesses will be completely swept from their foundations. Debris will block most roadways. Mass devastation is highly likely, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. This is a particularly dangerous situation. A confirmed large, violent and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Arcadia, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. This tornado will remain over many urban areas of Davidson County. Precautionary/preparedness actions. This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely.